Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss place value of 6-digit numbers in the Pakistani number system. What is place value? Let us discuss the definition of place value first. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Let's have a look at the example. Here the example of a 6-digit number is given. Its 6 digits are 1, 4, 7, 2, 8, 6. You can see here that every digit in a number has some place value. Like the place value of digit 6 is unit or ones, place value of 8 is tens, place value of 2 is hundreds, place value of 7 is thousands, place value of 4 is 10,000s, and the place value of 1 is lakh. 6-digit number in the abacus. Let us look at the example. Here you can see an abacus is given, and in this abacus few of the different color beads are attached with the rods. In the first rod we are having 5 beads, 5 number of beads, then 3 beads, 2 beads, 6 beads, again 6 beads and the 1 bead. So these are the number of beads attached with the abacus. Or we can also say that this is the number. So what is the place value of these numbers? The place value of 5 is ones, 3 is tens, 2 is hundreds, 6 is thousands, again 6 and thousands, and 1 value is lakh. So what are the place value of the number? 5 into 1 equals to 5, 3 into 10 equals to 30, 2 into 100 equals to 200, 6 into 1000 equals to 6000, 6 into 10,000 equals to 60,000, and 1 into lakh equals to 1 lakh. These are the place value of the digits given here, and the number we can read this as 1,66,235. Place value chart of 6-digit number. Now I am going to show the place value chart of a 6-digit number. Look at this place value chart. Here we are having periods, place values, and the number. In place value chart of 6-digit number in the Pakistani number system, we are having 3 periods: ones period, thousands period, and lakhs period. So in the 6th digit of Pakistani number system, there are 3 periods, and each period we have different place values. Like in ones period we are having ones, tens and hundreds place values. In thousands period we are having thousands and 10,000s place value, and in the lakhs period we are having lakh place value in the 6th digit number. Now you can see here the number is also written. The place value of this 2 is 2, the place value of this 7 is 70, the place value of 6 is 600, the place value of 5 is 5000, the place value of this 9 is 90,000, and the place value of this 8 is 8 lakhs. Here you have noticed one thing, that after the ones period there is a comma, and after the thousands periods again there is a comma. So in the Pakistani number system, after the ones period and thousands period we will put comma if we talk about the 6-digit number. Here the place value of the digits of the number are also written. We have already discussed them. Let us check one more time. The place value of 2 is 2 times 1 equals to 2. The place value of 7 is 7 times 10 equals to 70. The place value of 6 is 6 times 100 equals to 600. The place value of 5 is 5 times 1000 equals to 5000. The place value of 9 is 9 times 10,000 equals to 90,000, and the place value of 8 is 8 into 1 lakh equals to 8 lakhs. Read and write 6-digit number in the Pakistani number system. How can we read and write the numbers in the Pakistani number system? Let us check. Look at the example given here. The first example here you can see it consisting of 6-digit number. Now we have to write this number in the Pakistani number system. First we'll write the standard form of this number, then we'll write the number name of this given number. Let us check the standard form of the number first. We have put the comma after the ones period and then the thousands period. And the place value of these numbers are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So in this way we write the number in the standard form in the Pakistani number system. Now look at the number name of this number. We can read or write this as 8,23,459. Another example, again a 6-digit number is also written here. Here again we have to write the standard form and the number name of this given number. So standard form is like this. Its place values are unit or ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 1 lakh. And we will put the comma after ones period and then the thousands period. Now the number name. Its number name or the number in words is 1,50,293. Now a short test for you. Can you write the standard form of a given 6-digit number in the Pakistani number system? I know you can write. So this is the 6-digit number. What you have to do, you have to simply write the standard form of this number by putting comma after the correct periods. Can you write the name of a given 6-digit number? Here you can see the number is written in the Pakistani number system. You have to write the number name or number in words of this number. Good luck and thank you.